Our security labels deliver 6 critical advantages to our customers. Advantage 1. Uncopyable fluorescent security marks. Advantage 2. Irreversible heat response. The labels use thermochromic ink that turns from white to red when exposed to heat, providing irreversible evidence of tampering. Advantage 3. Tamper evidence signature field allows users to sign and date the label to prevent unauthorized reuse. Advantage 4. Unique number to ensure product uniqueness and prevent tampering. Advantage 5. Non-transfer and no residue. Advantage 6. Compatible with most surfaces and with the application.
Keep the pocket safe. Protect your valuables.